It looks like a fancy dessert, but you make it with just gelatin. In a bowl, start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk. "200 grams of heavy cream, 200 ml of milk, 5 tablespoons of powdered milk. Now let's mix all of this together well. Next, add a packet of hydrated unflavored gelatin. Set it aside. Grease a mold with a little oil. Then pour in our entire mixture. Refrigerate until it sets. Meanwhile, in another bowl, add 2 packets of grape-flavored gelatin. Now add 400 milliliters of hot water and mix thoroughly. Then add 400 milliliters of cold water. Mix again. Once our gelatin has set, pour the grape gelatin on top. All done. Just refrigerate until it sets. When firm, loosen the sides, then the middle. After that, unmold it onto a plate. Look how amazing this gelatin dessert is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care. See you next time. Thanks.